is Bria? Where is Bria? Here I am. Here I am. Oh. No unboxing, just hold and see the toys.
Muna?
Opo.
Mamay start?
Yes.
Start now.
Check mo lang yung toys. Alis mo lang siya from the mother box.
Mamay open.
Tingnan natin. Let's see.
Mamay open, mommy.
Opo, check mo muna yung mga toys.
Daddy.
We can discuss. Let's check later.
Shoot. Tingnan mo, shoot. Shoot.
No unboxing. I told you.
Okay.
Touch mo lang.
Go start it, mommy. Let's go start it.
Put out the toys from the box. From this box.
Start it. Mata, you want start.
Okay. Put out the toys from the big box.
Okay. Wow, sir, I got it. I get.
It's a bracelet.
Open it.
Can you see it first? I told you, no unboxing yet. Put out the toys first from the box. From the mother box. Put out mo lahat.
Sa akin yan, mommy. Sa akin ito. Mommy, sa akin yan.
Yes po.
Thank you, mommy. Hindi kay daddy yan. Pangit kay daddy. Bay mo pangit kay daddy. Wow! Pretty!
Are there more items in the box?
Yeah. Kuna.
Sabi now.
But empty now.
Nasaan na yung toys?
Dito sa labas.
Have a seat.
Go na. Next dress.
What's that? Necklace. Ah, you said necklace.
Sa akin lang ito. Open yan, mommy. Open.
Now.
Insert it now. Let me, mommy, get it right and say.
Let me know if you need any help. I'll help you. Use your hands. Use your hands now. Oh, magupit yung kamay mo.
Help me, mommy. Help, mom. Please help me. Help me, mommy. La 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 la. Never pay. Happy pine. Go right away. Keep it. Fun and daisy, oh daisy,
Careful with the scissors. Use your hands. Try it with your hands. Enough. What is that? Look. May I see? Careful. Why don't you put it here? Check it first.
Base. Haha, funny base.
Lock.
I book book TikTok.
Nasaan?
This one.
Why don't you open the book and let's see what's inside?
Wow! TikTok, TikTok, TikTok. TikTok, TikTok.
What can you see in the picture? What are these?
Bumblebee.
Wow, how about the next page? On the next page, you see a lot of birds. The end.
Dynamite.
Subscribe and tap the bell and explore where play meets purpose at Tinker Toys.